I made over $3,100 with the TikTok Shop affiliate program in the last 31 days, and it kind of feels like a glitch or something. It feels like it's not even real money how easy this is, because back when I started in 2008, it took me 6 months to even make my first commission. So my worst day of March was the first few days where I made no money, and my best day in March was March 24th, which I made over $1,100 in commissions. Now, there's two big issues with the TikTok Shop affiliate program that I'm going to talk about in this video that I see nobody else talking about. So I'll talk more about that in a minute. But in this video, I'm going to peel back the curtain and show you which products of mine did really well, what I've tried, and I'm going to go through kind of my first month or so. I think the craziest part about this, before I get into that, is that I've never used TikTok before. I've rarely done any short form videos. I don't even know like how it actually worked. Like, I didn't know how TikTok worked at all. So if my old dumb self can do it, you could probably do it too. So let's go over what worked and what didn't. All right, so this is my TikTok page, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. I do have some videos that are going really well here in April, but we're going to start all the way back at the beginning. And my first video was this light up scooter. Did not know what I was doing. I was kind of talking about it like a Amazon influencer video, which is much different. So that one didn't do well, but I did do the electric kettle, and there's 4 videos in a row that I did. I did promote one of those videos, and it made one sale. And then I posted these gummies. Still didn't know what I was doing at this point. This was all in February, but in March, I started doing one video on this savings challenge book that I found just scrolling through the For You page. And those videos really started doing well because I took them as a way not only to save money, but I put it as something where you could make more, or where you could save more money than the book actually showed. So the book showed that you could save $5,000. But what I did in a lot of my videos was, here's how to save $10,000. And at the end, I would just say, go to the casino and put it all on black or something like that and double your money to make it 10 grand. So those videos kind of went off and did pretty well. And here is my first really viral video. And this was just a, how to save 10K the easy way. And I showed them what the book did. And then basically at the end, I said, go put it all on black and double your money. It got a lot of engagement, and it eventually got like 300 and some thousand views. Let me check again. Yeah, 322,000 views, and then it went out of stock. So there's nothing really you could do about that. But I did the same video again, found another seller of this same product. I did the same video again, but I just put, it's 3 steps to 10K, but the third step is the most important. So I made them kind of watch the whole video instead of just watching for 2 seconds and then clicking off. So I said 3 steps to 10K. The third one is most important. And then I go into the first step of, getting the product and using the product. So I talk about gamifying it, and then I go through how, the product actually works. And then I say, step 3 is to go to the casino, put it all in black and double your money. This one actually went really well. Got 480,000 views. It's still getting views today. And this was posted on March 9th, and today is April 19th. So this just goes to show you, if you have a video that's doing really well, then it's probably going to do really well for quite a long time. So that was my first viral product. I mean, it's getting views still, it's getting sales still, but it's not like a hockey stick trajectory. So the first problem I think with TikTok is that you really are at the mercy of the sellers. If they don't have enough stock, then they're going to go out of stock really quickly, and then you're going to have to wait for them to restock. So you really have to think about, when you're doing a product, when you're making these videos, is, do they have enough stock? Now, I did a few other videos on that same product, and I post them, throughout the week. Usually I make anywhere from 3 to 5 videos a week just on products that I know I can sell and have sold before. So every week I'm posting videos of that savings challenge binder. So there was one I found this cat scoop. I don't know how I found the cat scoop, but this cat scoop is like a metal cat scoop, and I've never seen it before. And I'm making sales off of this video every single day. I know it's gross, sorry, but I'm making sales off this every single day. But it's not a super viral video. It's got like 70,000 views, and it keeps getting views just because people keep engaging with it. And I don't know how many other sellers there are of this product. We can actually look that up right now. All right, for some reason I can't find it on Calidata, so let's just go back. But I found this speed sifter, and it does pretty well, and I make videos of it every week, and I usually post them throughout that next week. So I have a few videos with that, one with 74,000 views, 14,000 views, 3,400 views. And then I came across the oil sprayer in a Facebook group. Someone posted that they're doing well with it, and then I created this video, which is comparing this oil sprayer to a can of oil spray. I think it's only 15 or 17 seconds long, and it's pretty quick cuts. I talk about it. It got 608,000 views, and again, with this one, it went out of stock, and then the actual company's listing actually got deactivated, so there's no way I can sell it again. So I had other videos that did 21,000. I did 4,500. Here's another 20,000 view video. In that time frame, I did the air duster. I don't know if you've seen this air duster before, but I compared that to the air cans. This one's doing all right. point. I actually have made some sales with this, and I'll probably continue to do that product just because it does make sales every day or every other day, and the commission's like $6. So if I can take 10 to 20 minutes out of my day, make 2 or 3 videos, edit them, and save them as drafts in my TikTok account, I'll keep doing that for sure. Now, I want to go back to this oil sprayer because when I was selling this oil sprayer, this one did most of the sales in March. It did like $2,300 out of my $3,100 that I made. The problem with this is that the store did something. I don't know if it was during shipping or they weren't shipping out the orders in time or something, but all the orders, like a lot of the orders, were actually canceled, like hundreds of orders. I remember looking at my account and it said something like 338 orders were canceled in like one day. So I'm guessing approximately half of those sales were actually just canceled orders, and I'll never get paid for that. That's why it takes 30 days to get paid, because they have to make sure that one, the customer is okay with the product, they receive the product, and they don't return the product. So if those 3 things don't happen, then you're going to get paid probably within the month once that order settles. So that was the other big problem that I had in March. I'm going to make a video about my April predictions here, and April is going pretty well. I did a bunch of different products, and I'll probably get into that in one of my next videos. But right now I am focusing on the one big product that I have, which is this wireless car charger. So it automatically closes. Definitely do this product right now if you're watching this video and don't have a product that you are making some sales with. I think I did right around $2,000 in commissions with this video alone. I'm not sure on the exact numbers, but I had one day where I did $600 in commissions, and this video is going really well. 1.1 million views, and this is the only video that I have that's over 1 million views. So the store that is selling it is actually promoting it. I have one video that has the 1 million, and then I have probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. I have 6 or 7 videos posted for this. And as you can see, I think it was my first video with this product that went off. Yeah, it was my first video. Nope, sorry. All right, let me go back. So I have 9 or 10 videos posted for this. And this was, my first one had 1,600 views. My second one got 23,000 views. My third one got 1,000 views. Fourth one was 600 views. And then my fifth one was the one that actually got the 1 million views. So even if you're creating videos for a product and your second, third, fourth video doesn't do well, keep posting about it, keep creating different hooks and angles for that product, because you never know which one is actually going to go viral. Like I said, this was my 6th or 7th video with the same product. Another product that's doing well for me right now is this bacon saver, this bacon grease saver, like little container. I've made some sales with that. It has decent commission, not a lot of competition out there. This Venti fan right now, the fan that's portable, it's going to be really good, I think, in June, July, and August when people are actually outside in the hot weather and going camping. So I've had I think 2 or 3 sales of this. It's a $12 commission, but this is just a summer product, so I'm probably so those videos should be doing a lot better in the coming months. Another product that's doing well for me are these Beyond Fishing shears. So if you're a fisherman or you enjoy fishing, these fishing shears are doing really well for me. I've been talking to the brand quite a bit the past week. We are doing a lot of advertising with a lot of the videos that I created for them. I have a bunch of them in my drafts ready to go. The same with the wireless car charger. Have a bunch of drafts ready to go. I tried the bubble rocket thing. I don't know if I've had any sales with the bubble rocket, the bubble gun. I don't think I have. This thing went viral last summer, so maybe it'll go viral again this summer. You never know. And when I was recording these, it was cold outside still here where I am. So hopefully they take off in the summer. Now, this Grandpa's Weeder is an interesting product because I saw it had like a few thousand units, or I want to say a few hundred. I'm not sure, but now it's out of stock, and I haven't sold a single one. And I have videos that have 2,000 views, 1,800 views, 1,800 views. I have quite a bit of views, but no sales yet. And I think someone probably had some sort of viral video and kind of sold them all out. So hopefully in the coming months, they'll be back online with that and have some stock ready for us to go for the summer months when people are gardening and things like that. All right, I started a newsletter. If you want to sign up for it, it's completely free. I'll leave a link in the description. But basically, I'm going to be sending out my product ideas, the products that are working for me, anything else that I find that might be interesting, along with a lot of other hooks and hook ideas and ways you can try and go viral with some of these products. So if you're interested in that, make sure to sign up. I'll leave a link in the description.